Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, I'm going to show you a new change in the new update for version 11.0.3.2, and that is regional connection magic servers. And this means that if you live in Europe or Asia, you can use a connection magic server that will be maintained on those schedules. Just remember that your whole team needs to make the switch. I'm inside of Eclipse 11.0.3.2, and in order to select a regional server, all I need to do is go to my user settings, click Advanced, click Connection Magic, and where it says Internet in the drop-down box, there are now two new choices. connecteu.eclipsecat.com, which is intended for our European customers and those adjacent, and additionally, we have connectas.eclipsecat.com for our Asian users. Choosing the server that is closest geographically to you may improve the performance that you see in Connection Magic, simply because all of the data that your team is transmitting is making a shorter journey with fewer stops along the way. If you decide to make use of one of the regional servers, select the appropriate EU or AS server for your geographic location, press OK, OK, and OK. And your server affiliation has been updated, and now your data will transfer faster than ever when you're using Bridge Mobile or Connection Magic team editing. Don't forget that Advantage Software offers anytime support. Tech support can be reached with any question anytime, including weekends and holidays, at 772-288-3266. Email support is available at support@eclipsecat.com. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content in the future. Thank you so much and have a great day.